Hi guys, today I want to introduce a very practical tool, NASAN blade holder. It is ornamental design, feels good in hand, and the double-sided blade can be used for both sides. Just put the blade into the slot, and it can be easily fixed. And because it is magnet design, it will not easily fall off. When you use these tools to cut the gap of the middle frame, it is perfectly matched to the screen and it will not damage the screen. If you want to know more details, just feel free to leave your comment and we will reply to you in seconds.